areas related to circles revision. Okay, so the first thing is that this here sector and segment of the circle we are going to learn here. Area of the sector and length of the arc of the sector and area of the segment of the circle. These are things we are going to learn here. Okay, so after completion completely first the basic things will be revised to you. Then after the problems, difficult problems and different problems from the textbook and previous year questions, let us see. Okay, so now here sector and segment. First, before going to learn what is meant by a sector and what is meant by a segment, you need to know. So different designs you are going to see in your surroundings, and every different shapes you are going to see in your surroundings, and all that shapes whenever you are taking into consider a different sector. So whenever you are taking into consider this, different sectors and segments will be there in figures wherever you are. Suppose we are drawing a, you are cutting a pizza into the 6 pieces will be cut. Usually you are going to see that a hexagonal shape will be there like this. So different shapes you are going to see in your surroundings. Different shapes you are going to see in your surroundings. And whenever you see that in your surroundings, and you need to find out the area of the shaded regions, such type of the things. The first thing is that what is meant by a circle? Do anyone know the definition of the circle? Do anyone know the definition of the circle? Do anyone know the definition of circle? How do you define a circle? How do you define a circle?
Circle is a
It's a
round
oh,
figure which have a fixed point.
no, beta. Circle is a points collection of all the points which are equidistant from the fixed point. From one fixed point, equal distances all the points whenever you are taking into consider, all the points together will form a circle. Okay, so that is circle. So whenever you are taking into the circle, this is diameter. Diameter is radius is nothing but a fixed distance is called radius, and the fixed point is called as a center, and double of the radius is called as a radius. Suppose if you divide the circle into the 6 equal parts, each part will make a one some angle 60 degrees. So the here the part of the circle enclosed by 2 radii, plural of the radius is radii. So to the part of the circle enclosed by 2 radii and the corresponding arc is called the sector of the circle. That's called a sector. Sector is nothing but the shape, whatever it is shown to you. So the angle subtended by the corresponding arc of the sector at the center of the circle is called angle of the sector. That is called angle. So here the sectors, each sector, sectors you can find out here, and each sector is making an angle of 60 degrees. Each sector is making an angle of 60 degrees. And here sector includes this blue color part also. Suppose if you are intended to find out the part of the circle enclosed by a chord and corresponding arc, देखो ये blue color part is ऐसा, that is called segment. So that is sector is nothing but completely including this green and yellow color part, each one. And segment is nothing but only previously whatever yellow color is shown to you, that one. Okay, if you intended to find out the shaded region of this figure, this type of the questions will be there in the areas related to circles. Okay, so here, whenever you are taking into consider here, if you are interested to find out the area of this shaded region, so you need to find out the area of the sector, and from that you need to find out the area of the segment. Segment area to find out area of the sector minus area of the triangle to be done. So this triangle is actually, you are going to have the which type of the triangle?
Equilateral.
Which equilateral triangle. Is it equilateral triangle? Because this is 60 degrees, and here also you are going to have the 60 degrees, because the radius we are going to have here, two radius are equal. Okay. So The complete angle is 360 degrees. So area of the circle is pi r square. Complete area of the circle when it is making 360 degrees. When it is making a particular angle, means a part of the circle, means that in that area some part you are taking into consider which is making an angle of 60 degrees. So area 360 degrees whenever it is taking, it is pi r square. If it is making 1 degree, 1 by pi r square. If it is making some x degrees, x by 360 into pi r square. Because you are taking one part only. And if it is making the 60 theta, suppose here it is making an angle of theta. Theta degrees it is taking means the area of the sector of the angle c theta is equals to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay, is it clear? So here 60 degrees it is given. So the area of the circle is, suppose radius is given to you 7 feet. Let us consider it is given feet. Then what here you need to do here? 60 by 360 into pi r square. 60 by 360 into pi r square. R is here 7. So 60 by 360, wherever you are taking into consider, 1 by 6 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. I am simplifying this. The area of the sector we are going. This is a way to find out the area of the sector. So approximately decimals you will get, or if you want, you can express this answer as a 154 by 6 also. You can express this as a 150 by 4 by 6 also. Okay. So now here, whenever you are considering length of the arc of the circle, so the whatever the length of the arc, how do you find out? Same way, length of the arc also. Complete length of the circle is what? Can anyone say? What is the complete length of the circle? Length of the circle is nothing but perimeter or circumference. We call it as a circumference. Can anyone say that what is the complete length of this red line, whatever it is shown to you?
2 pi r.
Yes, circumference only, that is circumference. Circumference of the circle is equals to 2 pi r. Okay. So length of the arc of an angle 360 degrees is equals to 2 pi r. Okay. So 360 degrees if it is making 2 pi r. If it is making 1 degree, 1 by 360 into 2 pi r. If it is making theta degrees, theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Okay. समझ में आया? So the length of the arc of this angle theta is equals to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Triangle. Area of the equilateral triangle formula is what? Root 3 by 4 a square. Root 3 by 4 a square. So that you can use if you want. I half into base into height by dropping a perpendicular from the center of the circle to the chord. Perpendicular drop करके, then height you have to find out. So in different situations here you can use in this situation. This triangle is an equilateral triangle. Why? Because here 60 degrees is there. Okay. Generalize करके find out करते हैं. So drop the perpendicular from there, and let us drop the OM is perpendicular to AB. Let us consider perpendicular line. The perpendicular drawn from the chord of the center of the circle divides the chord and angle subtended by that into equal parts. Angle also equal parts होगा, this one also equal parts. So that is nothing but AM is equals to MB you are going to get. Whatever it may be then. And this 60 degrees is divided into equal parts 30 degrees and 30 degrees. Both. So therefore, the triangle AOM and triangle BOM whenever you are considering, sorry, angle AOM, angle BOM will be 30 degrees. And in the triangle OMA, OM by OA is equals to cos 30 degrees. In the trigonometry we have learned in the previous. From this, you can find out the OM length as a 7 root 3 by 2. So height you got it. And what about the AB? If you want to find out AB, AM you need to find out. And we are having OA. So what is the relation between the OA and AM with respect to the angle 30 degrees? Now here we need to find out here double of the AM. AM we need to find out. AM is we need to find out. OA we are having. So with respect to this AB you can find out. AB is equals to AM is equals to 7 by 2. Half now. So this completely it is 7. So 7 by 2. So or you can use if the angle is different angle also. Sine 30 degrees if you are using also you are going to get it. The AM value. So area of the triangle you need to find out. Area of the sector, how do we find out? We learn area of the triangle. So area of the sector minus area of the triangle will give you the area of the segment. So we have learned till now main key points area. In this you have learned what we have learned. Let us see here. Okay. So arc of the circle. Arc is nothing but a part of the circumference. Complete circumference में एक part that is called arc. And circular region enclosed by the two radii and corresponding arc of the circle is called sector of the circle. It's called a sector. A circular region enclosed between the chord and the corresponding arc is called segment of the circle. An angle of the sector is an angle subtended by the arc of the sector, and the circumference of the circle is equals to 2 pi r, where the r is the radius of the circle. Area of the circle is equals to pi r square, and length of the arc is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Area of the area of the sector next is theta by 360 into pi r square. Sector area, length of the arc, length of the arc. Please note these 2 points very carefully. So area of the segment of the is area of the corresponding sector minus area of the corresponding triangle. So these are the main things here we have learned here. So now let us see the combinations. There will be some combinations like this. Some figures will be there. The shaded regions you need to find out. The shaded regions, whatever it may be that. So everything will be mostly in the form of the sector or segment only. Sector or segment. So now here determine the area of the combination of the plane figures. We are going to have some problems to you. So suppose a carpenter is doing a workshop and he is making some designs there. And he need to find out the some different areas. See here. Different shapes will be there. So that if he intended to find out that this concept is used to will be helpful to him. Okay, suppose here he need to find out the area of the shaded region. What to do? Area of the this type of the figures will be there. Suppose and area of the this shaded region he need how much area he need to be painted. So these are the things will be helpful to you in the combination of the figures. Now area of the rectangle and area of the square you need to know, and area of the circle. These concepts you need to know here. Suppose if you are taking into consider here, the four corners are four corners are cut of a square shape, which forms a one circle, and this shape area you need to find out. Suppose if you need to find out the area of this shape. Okay. So in that situation, what to do here? The four parts here, circles, corners, cut, and it is going to form this one. So these four corners will make one circle. Quadrant. Each one is called as a one quadrant, and they make as a one circle. And 4 into quadrant is nothing but one circle. So this circle to be subtracted from the this square, complete square, say one circle is this one, this white place, and another one is four corners of the area of the cut. So that is nothing but different situations will make you to find out the difference. So suppose if here two wings are there, here 2 meters, one square is there, and inside the one design is made. And what is the area of this shaded region? Means you need to subtract the area of the square minus area of the circle. Devi, please switch off the mic. This is one more situation for you to find out this region. So here the diameter of this circle is not given to you, but it is equals to the area of the semicircle is equals to half into pi r square. Here radius will become the 1 meter because diameter is equals to the side of the square. So therefore area of the circle is 1.57 square meters. And area of the glass required here, glass is making here in this form, suppose 2 times of the semicircle here. This one semicircle, this one semicircle. So the area, how much glass area is required means this you need to find here. He need to fix the one glass here like this in a circular shape of a window. So like this, different situations will be taken into. And area of the square minus area of the, this one if you are finding. Is this presentation visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now here, this is a one situation. Another situation let's take into consider here. Like this, one example problem, let's take area of the circle, square, rectangle, and here combination. Okay. So total area of this type of the figure, if you want to find out, area of the rectangle plus area of the two semicircles. Area of the rectangle plus area of the two semicircles to be taken into consideration. If you want to find out the area, are different examples and radius of the outer circle is r1, radius of the inner circle is r2. And what you need to do here in this situation, this is the part you need to find out here. So this is the area of the sector open, and area of the smaller sector. Area of the bigger sector is 1 by 4. Why 1 by 4 here? Quadrant. Quadrant is nothing but 90 degrees it is going to make. So another model is, the question is like this. Inside the square, once inside the circle, one square is fixed, and you need to find out the area of this one. So this is square, and it is circle. From the area of the circle, area of the square to be subtracted. But here radius will be given to you, pi r square minus a square side. So like this, different situations we are going to have. So one problem will be one different situation to you. The combination of the figures and some situations are taken in here in this situation in this. Okay. So in this lesson we have tried to understand non-standard shapes is composed of different standard shapes. They are not standard shapes, but we are able to call them as a. Okay. So this is a different ways to find out the area of the sector